Hello and welcome to Automechanika Birmingham 2018. Let's take a look at day one.
This industry, I'd argue, is seeing more change simultaneously than any other sector. With Automechanika Birmingham, it allows both the supply chain and the aftermarket to come together and demonstrate just how broad their offering is and how successful they are at the moment.
We've got three distinct zones, one for vehicle production, one for the aftermarket and one for the garage quarters. Lots of things going on in each of those areas.
Here we have a layout of all the ECUs on this particular Volkswagen. So instead of taking this vehicle back to the dealership to get programmed, they can do their programming themselves.
This is a traditional, what we call a hamburger lamp in the trade. It's a combination stop, tail and indicator.
I've always wanted a personalised number plate.
The biggest thing for us is we can talk all day about how fantastic a product is. What we want to do is showcase that and show the people in action. It's been really good. We saw already a few garages have come over and have shown interest.
We've seen everybody from manufacturers to garage owners to technicians, so come over, come and have a demonstration, come and have a play.
There's always something new and different. It's definitely an evolving sector, so there's always something new for everyone.
The trends are here. You've got to see what's out here, and it's an amazing show. Absolutely enjoying it.
It's been a fantastic day one here at Automechanika Birmingham. Now don't forget, tomorrow there's extended opening hours in the garage quarter from 4:30 to 7 p.m. Don't miss it. We'll see you tomorrow.